Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku was on June 4, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column B, column C, 4th row, we have 1. So one column come these cells, then one is confirmed here. Column D, column B, we have 3. So 3 column come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. 7th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 3, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 9 and 7. So 9 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. Column G, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, then column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 2nd grade, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. then we can confirm 2 also here. Then 8th grid, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 8th row we give 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column H, column F, we give 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 3, 9. Column F, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column F, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 4th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 4th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, it will be one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column I, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 3 and 9, so 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will be one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column I, 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.